Foods with zero calories. We all enjoy eating food. Despite our desire to eat and assert that calories are unimportant, we are aware that this is not true. Weight gain is a constant result of consuming more food energy than we expend. But what if you had access to a list of foods with zero calories to which you could turn in order to make guilt-free and wholesome decisions? We all understand how beneficial it can be to keep track of every calorie that enters your body when it comes to weight loss and weight management. Given this, zero-calorie foods can be useful because they allow you to eat as much of them as you like without exceeding your daily recommended energy intake. And who wouldn't like that? Before we dig deeper, make sure you have liked this video, left a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to stay updated on content like these. In this video, we will show you foods with few to no calories that would help you maintain your desired weight. Let's start. These zero-calorie foods list which fruits and vegetables can be categorized as negative or nearly zero-calorie foods, as well as their health advantages and practical usage in daily life. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular items on list of foods with no calories. Apples are valued for their low calorie count, low fat content, and high water and fiber content when it comes to weight loss. According to a 2008 10-week study of 50 overweight women, those who consumed apples consumed fewer calories than those who consumed oat cookies. They help lower blood cholesterol levels, which makes them beneficial for heart health as well. They may also lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, contain probiotics that improve gut health, prevent cancer, improve bone health, and aid in the battle against asthma. Apples can be eaten as a snack or as a crunch, sweet, or tart addition to salads. Kale. The popular vegetable kale is frequently included in salads. Antioxidants found in abundance in this dark leafy green aid in preventing oxidative damage caused by free radicals in the body. Kale has 8.75 calories per cup. Kale also contains a lot of other nutrients and vitamins, including vitamin C, which improves immunity, vitamin K, which aids in blood clotting and heart disease, magnesium, which guards against type 2 diabetes, calcium, which is crucial for bone health, and potassium, which has been linked to lower blood pressure and a lower risk of heart disease. Next, we have celery. This vegetable is full of antioxidants which guard against oxidative damage to your cells, blood vessels, and organs. It has anti-inflammatory compounds which have been linked to many chronic illnesses, promotes digestion, and is low in sodium, which aids in blood sugar regulation. Celery is frequently eaten as a snack with nut butter, in salads, and in recipes. We also have cucumbers. The cooling vegetable cucumber is frequently used in salads. They are also used along with fruits and herbs to flavor water. Since cucumbers are mostly water, they contain very few calories. In addition, Cucumbers are rich in cucurbitacin nutrients, which may help prevent cancer cell reproduction. Vitamin K, which supports blood clotting and may support bone health, and fiber, which lowers cholesterol and prevents associated cardiovascular issues. It is thought that the nutrients fiber and cucurbitacin can lower blood sugar and prevent it from rising too high. Cucumbers can be used in salads as a standalone snack or in combination with nut butter for a filling snack. Moving forward, we also have arugula. This leafy dark green contains about 5 calories per cup. Arugula is frequently used in salads, and when eaten, it gives your body a variety of nutrients like calcium, potassium, folate, vitamin C, K, and A, all of which work together to support bone health, blood clotting, immunity, eye health, cell growth, kidney, lung, and heart function. Grapefruit. With only 42 calories per 100 grams and a wealth of minerals and vitamins, this fruit is low in calories. Since they have a low glycemic index and won't raise your blood sugar levels, they are excellent for diabetes. Additionally, they contain fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and all of which help to maintain heart health by lowering blood pressure. They contain a lot of antioxidants, which reduce your risk of developing cancer. Grapefruits encourage regular bowel movements and help prevent constipation because they are high in water and fiber. Next, we also have broccoli. Broccoli only has 34 calories per 100 grams. This vegetable has a high concentration of iron, potassium, calcium, selenium, magnesium, vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as a wide range of B vitamins, including folic acid. It is also a good source of fiber and protein. By including broccoli in your zero-calorie diet, you can lower your risk of developing cancer, strengthen your bones, improve your immune system, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Additionally, broccoli may help those with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar levels and safeguard their cardiovascular health. Next, we also have cabbage. Cabbages, whether they have green or purple leaves, are almost calorie-free foods that have remarkable health advantages. They contain a lot of vitamin C, which can strengthen your immune system and improve digestion. They also contain anthocyanins, which not only give vibrant color but also lower your risk of heart attack and other cardiovascular diseases. Next, we have carrots. Vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and minerals are abundant in carrots. Carrots are praised for their advantages of better vision, and studies on their antioxidant content have shown that they may reduce the risk of lung, prostate, and leukemia cancer. Cauliflower. Similar to broccoli, 100 grams of cauliflower has only 25 calories, making it a fantastic low-calorie food option. The vegetable has a lot of water, which keeps you hydrated, a lot of fiber, which makes you feel full, and glucosinolates, which may guard against cancer. Roasted or grated cauliflower can be substituted for rice in salads and other dishes. Lettuce, only 14 calories and 95.3 grams of water are present in 100 grams of lettuce. Fiber, iron, folate, and vitamin C are all present in good amounts. The bioactive compounds in lettuce are responsible for this vegetable's anti-inflammatory, cholesterol-lowering, and anti-diabetic properties, which have been demonstrated in numerous studies. Last but not certainly the least, tomatoes. A cherry tomato only has 3.61 calories compared to a plum tomatoes, which has 10.8 calories. These nearly calorie-free foods have also been linked to improving eye health, helping people with type 2 diabetes control their blood sugar and insulin levels, and preventing the growth of tumor cancer. Use the fruits and vegetables listed here to supplement your diet by eating them on their own as snacks, blending them to make smoothies, adding them to hearty salads, or substituting them for other high-calorie ingredients in cooked dishes. Keep in mind that calorie-free food can only make you feel full if you are already following a healthy, balanced diet. How are you doing? What foods help you stay healthy and manage your weight? Like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section down below so that you won't miss out our upcoming videos. Don't also forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate you watching and we'll see you on our next video.